Thank you for ordering a body mapping blood testing kit. This video is just to walk you through the steps that you need to take whilst you're waiting for your blood test. So your kit should arrive in the post and either be left in your safe place or given or handed to you directly. First thing you'll notice is you've got your address. It's got to you, that's great. You will also notice you've got some instructions on the front, the QR code, and I guess that's probably why you're watching the video. Please note you mustn't use a knife or scissors to open the box. You pull these two little black tabs and the box will open. When you open the box, inside the first thing you'll be met with is an instruction sheet, and inside that you'll have a label, and that's a postage label to send it back to Nationwide Pathology. What I suggest you do, the first thing you do is actually stick this label back on the box, because you're going to use the box, you can get hold of it, you're going to use the box to send your kit back to the lab. So put it over your address, and you will have to pay for the postage, I'm afraid. There's no way around that. I'll come to that at the end of the video. So the label has gone back on the box. Read the instructions if you haven't already done so. I did email these to you, so you should have had a pre-look at them, so they can go away. Inside the box then, we have, first and foremost, we have a needle kit. If you're having someone come and take your blood test at home, or you know someone who can do blood testing, that's for them. And then you have your black blood testing envelope with the blood bottles in. I'll leave that aside for now, we'll go through that in a sec. And then you'll find a polystyrene box within the postage box. So take that out, and you need to put this, as it is, in the freezer, in your home freezer, 2 nights before your blood test. So that goes in the freezer. And you can put these back in here, put it away somewhere safe, and wait for your blood test. You need to phone the lab to book the clinic appointment, follow the instructions in your email. The morning of your blood test, you need to go to the freezer, and you need to take the box out at least 2 to 4 hours before your blood test is due. So get up early, that gives the box a little bit of time to kind of get to room temperature and the outside. So take this along to the clinic. At the clinic, hand them the kit, the box. They will need this, and they will need to take your blood bottles out. So you'll have 2 packs with 4 blood bottles in. They all need to be filled with your blood in the order that's described on the instructions here. And you'll notice that you've got a request form in here that tells the lab what blood test we're doing and gives them your name, date of birth and address. So that is there, your electronic request on paper. So that once your phlebotomist has taken your blood tests, they need to put all of this, 2 boxes with 4 bottles and your request form back in the black envelope, and it needs to be sealed. It's a tight fit, so make sure the bottles are tessellating correctly. There we go. So there's a better way around. So the blood request form goes back inside the envelope, and you must seal the envelope nice and tightly, like so. And then this now goes back in your ice box. So what you'll find is you'll find two foil wrapped ice packs, and they sit like so in each box. This is a blanking polystyrene pad that can go, you can send that back to the lab if you want. And there should be just enough space. Make sure when you do seal this, you seal it nice and tight. There should be just enough space to get your blood sample in the box and close it up. Make sure it's sealed nicely all the way around. It will fit, give it a bit of a shake if not. And then this goes back in your postage box. Your needle should have been used, or we don't need that anymore. So that can go away. And then there's a nice tight fit. Keep your sample nice and safe. The blanking pads block can go back in the box and send it to the lab. We'll try and reuse it all again. Recycle. Close the box up, and you will find that you've got a second strip to peel that you can seal down, and you will put the lab's address label on like so. So you need to take this to the post office, and you need to buy special delivery guaranteed by 1 p.m. by Royal Mail at your local post office, and you need to take it to the post office before their last delivery of the day. So do check before you go that you know when their last delivery is and get there before then, so that it will go in the post that day, arrive at the lab by 1 p.m. the following day, and we'll get the results within 24 hours and I'll share them with you. So look forward to reviewing those with you. If you've got any questions, pop me an email. Any suggestions about how we can make the process more straightforward, simplify it, would be grateful to hear, and look forward to catching up with you soon.